Hi class, welcome to week 2. In week 2, we're going to be looking at supply and demand. You'll notice supply and demand is a very interesting concept to focus on because it's looking at how prices are determined in our market. Prices are determined based on the interaction of buyers and sellers. Buyers and sellers interact in the market to determine the price that people will be paid. The price that will be charged. The example that will be provided will be fruits and vegetables. You'll notice that if more consumers are in the market or if consumers have higher incomes, consumers are going to demand more, which will impact the market price. There's a lot of things to study in supply and demand, and we have a lot of interesting things that you're going to look at. When you focus in this with your discussion questions, make sure that you're really focusing on the development of your ideas and relationships of economic terms in your analysis as well. The next term or the concept we're going to look at is elasticity. Elasticity is looking at how sensitive consumers are to price changes. There's two types of price elastic goods, an elastic good and an inelastic good. An inelastic good is a good that when there's a price change, there's a very small change in demand. And an elastic good is when there's a price change, there's a large change in demand. You'll notice that examples of inelastic goods are like gasoline. When there's an increase in the price of gasoline, consumers are probably going to have to buy it, which will be inelastic. An example of an elastic good would be a luxury item, something maybe we don't need. And when there's a price, consumers may not buy it. So these are the two concepts we're going to focus on this week. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know as I look forward to your effort.